Okay, so an seo tá mé déanamh an litir I as Gaeilge, right? So an litir I. Okay, an éasca I. Tá sé anna cosú le béarla, so it's very similar to English. So an seo tá kick, okay? So kick. So just to kick something, very similar, exact same pronunciation, kick. Agus tá tickade, okay? So tickade, so ticket. So the I sound is exactly the same, tickade, okay? It's just the E fada that has changed it, right? Tickade. And then licking, so licking is a counter. So licking, like the counters we use for our games when we're doing the match stations. We have bencha, so bench. Kittle, okay, kittle. Ag etelt timple. So ag etelt timple, so flying around. Ag etelt timple. Immer, so playing, so immer. Ag immert is playing, so immer is play, and ag immert is playing. So the ing comes from the ag. Okay, so ag immert is playing. Dimmer sé gama. So there's a D apostrophe in front of it, so we know that means it's the past tense because of our diach, our di, our dole, all those verbs we've done so far. So dimmer sé gama. So he, remember, he played, so played well. Okay, so he played well, it's past tense. We have I, so it's I, remember? I. Egg iha, so that's eat, that's eating. Remember the ag adds on an ing. So egg iha. Remember we've an e here at the end, we've a or here. So we've different letters at the very end, so you have to learn those, okay? And di she. So there's a D apostrophe there as well. So di she ate. Okay? So ate. That's your unaisca. So scríbna focal is seach agus scríban Albert is seach is a cópláir. Okay? Bhí Liam agus Laura ag ré fat tama. Right? So what were they doing? Ag ré fat tama. Anshin cuig si gadi hotig siad ag d siad Mirlín hotig siad ag d she capri, the sheed, sorry, capri agus ula. Okay, so fill in the spaces, lena focal on Victor, agus scríb sé is seach sa cópláir. Okay, so write it into your cópláir. Okay, agus an seo tá an aimsir caite inné. So tá dól agus di, so bhí mé déanamh dól agus di. So all me banya inné. So all means drink. So drink me banya ne. So what's the correct way to say that? It's not all, it's dol me. Okay? Dol me banya ne. Okay? Dol me, dol chu, dol she, dol she, dol amur, dol shiv, dol sheed. Okay? Near all me, so there's no apostrophe there, so it says all. Near all me, agus air all two. So air all two. Okay, so there's no D apostrophe there either. It's the exact same with di. So dole is drink, di is eat. So it's not I me skaloga in a, it's di me, because it's past tense. Okay? So if it has a vowel at the start of the verb and it's in the past tense, you add on the D apostrophe. Right? So di me, di tu, di she, di she, de hamur, de shiv, de shid. We should know this because we've done all this already, right? Okay, so an seo, scríb isteach na focal tá imetha. Okay, so writing the missing word. So it's not all sheed, it's dol sheed, right? So full sentences on Albert omnan, dol sheed jokine ane. Níl sé I sin, Kade, Tashe, Dihamur, right? Dihamur. Okay, so D apostrophe I T H E A M mar, right? An éisce. Agus críicníigh na habartí sin, agus scríomh gachrod isteach I the cópláir. Okay? Right, everything into cópláir. And then the last thing, we have le fálam, air it to, agus air all to. Do you know what? We'll actually leave that for today. It's okay, we'll leave that for today. We'll go on to our litrone. Okay? So, bia roicha. What's bia roicha? These are all from our previous stuff. So they're dul shear, our revision. So bia roicha is frozen food, okay? So if you want to write that in there, frozen food. What's skipade? So go back and check what skipade is. Okay. Leishgul. What's leishgul? Sportul. You should definitely know what that is. Sportul. Ag dustal. Okay. Ag galana. Look on. August queer. Right? So queer. So you should know all of these mean because we were learning them the last few weeks. So go back over the last few and try see if you can figure out which one these belong to, right? So these are just matching. You're filling in here, you're matching it up to the picture. And then over here, you are doing what? You are filling in the missing word for the picture, okay? And then here you're trying to find you're circling where the word is, and you have to write the word beneath them. So there's going to be 3 words in each of these lista, so the list of words. There's going to be 3 words from our list here in these mixed up letters, okay? So you have to try circle them and then write them below. And then you have to queir na focal ag glana, leishgul, agus lucán in abertí I the cópláir. So you're going to use any of your verbs. So for example, ag glana. So vi misha ag glana nor a connic me mo water. So I was cleaning when I saw my mother. Leishgul. Vi me ana leishgul taréis mo dinner ea. Okay, so ana leishgul. Agus I cléthe clár. So suas sias. Oh no, tá sé clár. Ní an sibh E. So don't do E, right? So it's just A, B, C, and D. So A, Monday, B, Tuesday, C, Wednesday, agus D.